Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the two different degree colleges. Here the UGC NET is not required and there is no application fee at all. So let us see the details regarding the assistant professor vacancies from both these two degree colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video. So regarding this information we got from the facultytic.com website. So here the first one is DPG Degree College. It is behind Marble Market, Gurugram, Haryana. So here invites application for the following posts on the regular basis, that is BA, BCom, BSc and MA English History, Political Science and MCom, MSc, Botany, Zoology, Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. So coming to the teaching staff subjects, here you can check down as per the principal, professor, associate and assistant professor. So English, History, Political Science, Botany, Zoology, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Computer Science, Commerce, Economics, Geography, Sociology, Geology, Hindi and Physical Education. So from all these departments here, these are the number of vacancies are there. And coming to the non-teaching vacancies are also provided for the librarian, superintendent, technical assistant, computer operator, library attendant, computer instructor, lab attendant, clerk cum typist, office assistant cum accountant, peon, and safai and chowkidar and mali. So salary and qualifications as per the university or the UGC norms. And the procedure of applying for these posts is that application along with copy of all testimonials, that is experience, publications, etc. should reach to the president, governing body within 21 days. A copy of the application form must be sent to the DC, MD University, Rohtak. Post can be increased or decreased at the time of interview. So you have to apply within the 21 days here. So this notification came on 2nd December 2020 as per the facultytic.com. So here the contact numbers are given here. You may note down. If you are having any doubts regarding the application procedure and any other doubts, so you may contact these numbers. So please note down the contact numbers 0124 646 5277 and one more contact number 9250016902 and one more contact number 925 0005494. Okay, so these are the three different contact numbers are there for the DPG Degree College, and here the regular basis, nothing but a permanent basis. Okay, so you may utilize this opportunity if you belongs to these departments, and maybe here the UGC NET qualification is may not be required. Okay, so anyhow you may contact to these numbers. And coming to the next one is Tagore College of Education. Okay, so it is Bhiwani, and faculty required for the MEd course and required for the B.Ed course. So coming to the B.Ed course here, the principal and assistant professor in perspective education and assistant professor in pedagogy. So coming to the pedagogy in Hindi, English, social science, maths, biological science, physical science, economics, commerce, Sanskrit, computer science, health and physical education, fine arts and performing arts. And non-teaching staff is also there, librarian, office manager, accountant, office assistant or computer operator, library assistant, lab attendant, storekeeper, helper or support staff. Qualification and the pay scale will be as per the CBLU, NCT and Haryana government norms. And the way of applying is that applications along with the biodata, 2 photographs and self-attested copy of testimonials should reach within the 21 days in the office of principal and a copy of the same to the Dean of Colleges. CBLU Bhiwani by registered post or by hand against the proper receipt. So if you're having any queries regarding these posts, then you may contact here. The phone numbers are provided, so please note down 701 55 26910 or else 70827 51000, and one more contact number 9354943962. And here the email ID is also provided, so tagorpgcoe@gmail.com. So these are the two different vacancies. One is from the Tagore College of Education and second one is the TPG Degree College. So if you want to get the more reference or the sources of this one, you may visit the facultytech.com website. Okay, so these are the two different notifications, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here an announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so
So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.